Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to cancel auto update install on iOS or iPadOS. If you want to control when your updates will take place on your iPhone or iPad, here is how to do. First, go to Settings. At Settings, go to General. At General, go to Software Update. At Software Update, tap to the off position the toggle on Install iPadOS Updates, or Install iOS Updates. Exit Settings. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.